Welcome to Sociology Vibes, where we simplify challenging ideas into easy to understand insights. Today, our focus is on the explanation of cultural universals introduced by American anthropologist George Murdock. Cultural universals are cultural aspects of all cultures, regardless of time and place. Anthropologist George Murdock identified dozens of cultural universals by studying cultures throughout history to identify commonalities that they all shared. Some of these cultural universals include family structures, language, religious rituals, cooking, dancing, greetings, medicine, marriage, and many others. What made Murdock's research about cultures so important was the finding that all cultures share certain aspects of social life, despite the widespread cultural diversity that often captures the attention of social scientists. Many cultural universals relate to survival, such as food gathering, shelter, clothing, belonging, and universal experiences, including birth, death, health, celebrations, and mourning. While cultural universals are common in all cultures, every culture has unique ways of thinking and doing things. Tool making may be universal to all cultures, but the types of tools created and used are unique. Governing and laws are cultural universals. However, the ways cultures govern and the types of laws are unique. Medicine and healing might be culturally universal, but their practices will differ. Food preparation is a cultural universal. The cultural food preparation techniques, such as grilling or baking or frying, are unique and diverse. Cultural universals provide sociologists with a basic foundation of social life and help explain the structure and organization of societies, including their functions and ways they meet human, biological, and social needs. So the next time you interact with people from cultures you might not be familiar with, remember that you share many cultural universals. We belong to families, communicate using language and gestures, listen to music, sing, dance, and follow rules, just to name a few. And these shared experiences can serve as a bridge to connection and meaningful relationships, even when the way we do these things seem different and not at all what we're used to. And this makes sociology worth exploring further, don't you think? Thank you for watching. Be sure to comment below with your thoughts, questions, or any topics you'd like us to explore next. Let's keep the conversation going and our community growing. See you in the next Sociology Vibes video.